Alright everyone, this stovetop stuffing with celery and onion recipe is super quick and easy. We're using the stovetop stuffing mix, but you can also use different varieties. Alright, let me show you how to make it. So we're going to need about 1 cup of chopped celery. I already went ahead and chopped it for you. We also need 1.5 cup of chicken broth. We need 4 tablespoons of butter, a half cup of thinly chopped onions, any color is fine. Then we also need 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. And last but not least, we need 1 box of stovetop stuffing mix. Right now, I am using the stuffing mix for chicken, but any other flavors work fine. To cook it, you just need to melt the butter in a saucepan. Wait a little bit until the butter has melted, then add the chopped onion. And saute the onion for just a little bit until it's translucent. Then go ahead and add the minced garlic. I like to saute my onions and garlic for a little bit to get extra flavors. Then add the chopped celery and saute it for a little bit before you add the chicken broth. And I apologize because my phone accidentally stopped recording, so I don't have a full footage of me adding the broth. But after adding the broth, you bring it to a boil and wait for the veggies to soften a little bit before removing the pan from the heat. Now turn the heat off and move the pan away. We are now ready to add the stuffing mix. Go ahead, open the pan. Add the stovetop stuffing mix. And I like to use a fork to gently stir it in. And you want to do it quickly because you want the steam to soften the bread. Then cover the pan and let it sit for 5 minutes. Now that 5 minutes is over, open the lid, and as you can see, most of the stuffing has softened, but there's those tiny bits of bread that didn't get wet. So go ahead and gently stir it with a fork. Don't do it too hard because you don't want the stuffing to get mushy. Then put the lid back on again and you are now ready to serve. And that is it, you guys. This recipe is so easy, but it's so delicious. But don't go away yet. I have a super easy sweet potato casserole recipe that will pair well with this stuffing. So I will catch you in the next video. See ya!